Maintenance on the Fletcher 2200, the most common part to need to be replaced will be a spring that is hiding inside each one of these cutting heads. It allows the action for it to be depressed and it pops back up on its own. Replacement parts actually at the moment are currently in this mixed bag here, but there also can be acquired through Folk Graphics and very likely Larson Jewel as well. And part numbers can be found either by going online or bringing up the manual, or you may even just be able to call and tell them the part that's broken, and they would likely know the code as well. So what we have is on this side, you disengage and take out your shuttle, get that out of the way. We then have 3 screws that hold this plastic portion on. You just need an Allen screw to get those ones out. Once that's done, this cutter head disengages, and inside it you will see on this side a spring. Now on this spring here, it is just simply hooked over top of 2 posts. So in order to get this in place, it is a matter of hooking it onto one post and then using, I find, an awl or flathead screwdriver possibly to stretch the spring and then pop it onto the other post. It's a little bit tricky, but you just got to work with it, and eventually you'll get it. And again, the action on the inside is very similar. The one on the other side is a slightly different shape channel, but same concept. There we go.